Hi, welcome to Software Basics. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up email preview pane / window view on Gmail. Okay, so this is an example here. As you can see, I have a couple of emails within my social tab, and as I'm clicking through each one of them I can view the email received and I can preview them at the same time. And also, if I was to mark all of these as unread and then we go through each one of them, you can see it immediately reads them. You can change it that it reads them after 3 seconds or do it immediately. So you can see now I've reverted my email to the original way that Gmail sets up the preview. Now this way is kind of tedious. As you can see, I have to go into each one of them, go back out, and so on. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to set this up. So the first thing we want to do is head over to the top right corner where it says settings, click on settings, and then go into settings again. Then what you need to do is go to this tab where it says labs. When you click on that, you can scroll through until you see preview pane. Usually it's the third last one. Then just simply hit enable and save changes. And you can see we're back to the preview pane way of viewing it. Now you can change how often the red is displayed or not. So we'll go back into settings, and then we make sure that we're on the general tab. And if we go down to where it says preview pane, you can see I have immediately selected. So let's just select 3 seconds for example. And if we now save this again, and then we mark these as unread again. So you can see now if I click it, it's going to wait 3 seconds and then it will change from bold to non-bold font, which indicates that this message has been read. Preferably I like to do it as immediately, because sometimes when you're clicking through emails real quick it takes some time, so I always just leave it as immediately. So there you have it. That's how you basically set up email preview pane / window view on Gmail. If you like this video and if it helped you out, please make sure to leave a like, and of course leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.